Add in tags to your media. Go to Site, Media Library, and then inside any of your media you can add a tag. Tags will allow you to easily find tagged sets inside of the media library. At the moment we only have 5 items in this media library, but imagine if we had thousands. Using tagging can be a really effective way to organize your media, and it's so simple. We just simply go to the edit button here and create a tag. Select the tag, update, and we now have a new tagged item inside of the media library. We can also tag multiple items at the same time. I can select all by clicking here, or individually select items for tagging. Let's select this and add it to the bootcamp tag. We're going to use bulk actions to do this. Click a bulk action, click add tag. We're going to click in here and select our tag already or create a new one. We're going to select this and click add. And now these are tagged. If we had thousands of items in here, we could do a simple filter to find these tagged items. Select tag, bootcamp, and only the items with the tag bootcamp appear. Zenler gives you the ability to sort your media quickly and efficiently and keep it organized.